In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default font in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, your emails will automatically start with the look you prefer, so you don't have to adjust the font every single time you write a message. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. With Outlook open, head to the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view where you manage overall settings. From here, choose Options near the bottom of the list. That brings up the Outlook options window, which controls how Outlook behaves. On the left side of that window, click Mail. This area contains email-related settings, including how your messages look. In the Mail section, find the area labeled Use Stationery to change default fonts and styles. Click the button called Stationery and Fonts to continue. This is where you decide what Outlook uses by default for new emails, replies, and forwards, and even how plain text messages appear. Inside the Stationery and Fonts window, you'll see 3 categories. For each one, you can click the Font button to set your preferences. Start with New Mail Messages if you want to control how brand new emails look by default. After you click Font, you can choose the font family, the style like regular or bold, and the size that feels the most readable. Pick something clean and professional, then click OK to confirm. Next, move to replying or forwarding messages if you want those to use the same or a different font. Some people prefer a slightly smaller or simpler look for replies to keep conversations tidy. Again, click Font, adjust as needed, and press OK. You'll also see composing and reading plain text messages. Plain text doesn't include formatting like bold or color when the recipient receives it, but you can still control how it looks on your screen while you write and read. Choose a comfortable font and size here as well, then click OK. When you've set each category the way you like, click OK in the Stationery and Fonts window, and then click OK again in Outlook options to apply everything. That's it. Your chosen fonts are now the default. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Pick a size that's easy on the eyes, often 11 or 12 points. Stick to widely available fonts so your messages look consistent across devices. And after setting your preferences, compose a new email and a reply to confirm the changes took effect. That's how you change the default font in Microsoft Outlook. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward how-tos. Thanks for watching.